Can you imagine a world in which we had no way of measuring things? Or even worse, we could measure things, but we each had different ways of doing so. How cows helped shape the wireless network standards. There was a time in Ireland when a cow's grass was the area needed to grow enough grass to feed one cow. While in Germany, a Morgen was the area that could be ploughed by one man and one cow in the morning hours. Guten Morgen! Moo! Unfortunately, even when we could agree on a standard name for a unit of measure, we often disagreed on its value. Not that long ago, an ell was 40.2 centimeters in Dusseldorf, 70 centimeters in Amsterdam, and 94.5 centimeters in Edinburgh. Needless to say, a lot has changed since then, and the meter has come a long way. Thanks to the French Revolution and the desire for revolutionaries to fundamentally alter society, which gave rise to the metric system. Today, the authority for all things measured rests with the General Conference of Weights and Measurement, held every 4 years in France. And it is here that standardization continues to evolve. For a long time, the gold standard for 1 meter was a platinum bar the length of 1/10,000,000th of the distance from the equator to the North Pole. Today, a meter is defined as the length that is traveled by light in a vacuum in 1/299,792,458th of a second. Soon, the fundamental standard for a kilogram will no longer be defined by a cylinder of platinum held under lock and key in Paris, but in terms of the electric current required to produce an electromagnetic force equal to the gravitational force acting on a mass. Why go to such great lengths to define these fundamentals? Well, for one, accuracy, but also for security. Unlike their previous physical manifestations, these fundamental standards can never be destroyed or lost. In the short time we've had wireless networks, standards have changed a lot too. At the dawn of mobile communication, regional variances were so great, roaming was impossible. As we enter the 5G era, the unification of wireless network standards is critical to stability and security, which is why Huawei is a member of over 360 international industry standards organizations, to which we regularly submit proposals for new and better standards. It's one of the ways we're reducing vulnerability and increasing safety in a digital world. Thanks, cows. We'll take it from here.